You can start a 6-figure online store this week without buying any inventory, without design skills, and without spending thousands of dollars on ads. Here's exactly how. Step 1. Understand the print-on-demand business model. Let's start with why print-on-demand still works today. People sometimes think POD is too competitive or over. The truth is, most sellers fail because they either copy what's already out there or give up too early. But the business model itself is strong because it's low risk. You don't need to buy stock. You don't ship anything. You only pay for a product after someone orders it. That means you can test new designs and ideas without losing money. The other reason it still works is AI. In the past, you had to pay designers or spend hours in Photoshop just to create one design. Now, with tools like MidJourney, you can create professional, original artwork in minutes. That gives you a real advantage. You can test many styles quickly, find what sells, and scale from there. So let's get into the actual process. Step 2. Research and pick your product. This is where you decide what niche you want to serve. A niche just means a group of people with a shared interest. It could be dog lovers, gym goers, travelers, gamers, teachers, or even people who like sarcastic quotes. The smaller and more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out. Next, go to Printify and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, go to the catalog section. You'll see thousands of products: shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, posters, and more. Click on best sellers to see what's trending right now. This list changes often, and it's based on real sales data from Printify's network of stores. Let's use a t-shirt as our example because it's still one of the most popular print-on-demand products. The Bella Plus Canvas Unisex Tee is a favorite among sellers because it's soft, fits most body types, and has good printing quality. When you click Start Designing, Printify shows you the print area. For example, it might say 3,951 by 4,800 pixels. Write that down. It's the exact size your design should be, so it prints clearly and doesn't look blurry. Printify's design guide also explains safe areas and bleed zones. Stay inside the safe area so your design doesn't get cut off. Step 3. Generate images and designs. MidJourney is an AI art generator that can turn your ideas into visuals in seconds. It runs by using prompts, simple text descriptions that tell the AI what to create. Let's say you want to create a funny cat t-shirt. Your prompt could be, cute cartoon cat with sunglasses and quote, stay fierce t-shirt design, vector, simple graphic, white background, no mockup. Adding no mockup tells MidJourney not to show shirts or models, only the graphic itself. If you want multiple options at once, type repeat 5 at the end. That tells MidJourney to create 5 versions without you having to type the prompt 5 times. This is a great way to brainstorm design ideas fast. You can also use what's called permutations. That's where you use curly brackets to create variations automatically. For example, t-shirt design of dog, cat, rabbit with funny quote, be kind, stay fierce, good vibes. MidJourney will mix and match those to create several combinations. When you see a result you like, upscale it to get the best resolution, then download it. If you want to learn from existing images, use the /describe command in MidJourney. Upload any image you like, and it'll generate 4 prompt ideas that describe it. You can copy, mix, and reuse those for your own projects. Now you've got your AI-generated design. The next step is to prepare it for printing. Step 4. Enhance the image. MidJourney images are made of pixels, so if you stretch them too big, they can lose quality. To fix that, you can turn them into vector images using Vectorizer AI. It's currently free and super easy to use. Drag your image in, wait a few seconds, and download the vector version. A vector image can scale to any size without losing sharpness, which is perfect for t-shirts, mugs, or posters. If you just want to clean up the background, you can use Adobe Express's free background remover. Upload your image, remove the background, and download it as a PNG with transparency. You'll need that transparent background so it prints correctly on colored products. Now head to Canva. This is where you'll set your design to the exact size for printing and make small edits. Open Canva and click Create a Design, then Custom Size. Enter the dimensions from Printify. For example, 3,951 by 4,800 pixels. Upload your AI design, center it, and resize it if needed. Canva's guides help you line things up perfectly. You can add extra text or design touches if you want. For example, maybe you add a small quote, a sunburst effect, or a color overlay. Canva's tools are simple enough that even beginners can make designs look professional. When you're done, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG, check Transparent Background, and download your design. Step 5. Add your design to Printify. Now go back to Printify. Upload your finished PNG to the product editor. Printify will confirm whether your image meets the resolution requirement. If it does, you're good. Choose your product colors. Start with 2 or 3 that complement your design. Then click Preview. You'll see how your design looks on different mockups: front, back, flat lay, and lifestyle views. Pick the ones that look best. These mockups are what your customers will see in your store store, so make them appealing. Step 6. List your product. Printify now has a built-in AI writer that can help you create product titles and descriptions. Click Generate with AI to get a draft. Then refine it to make it sound human. Focus on what makes your design relatable. For example, instead of cat t-shirt for pet lovers, try Stay Fierce Cat Tee, a fun gift for confident cat lovers. Add a short but clear description that mentions the material, fit, and why someone would like it. For keywords, use Etsy's search bar to find what people are actually typing. Start with cat shirt and look at the suggestions underneath, like funny cat tee, positive cat shirt, or cat lover gift. Those are your target keywords. Include a few of them naturally in your title and description. That helps your listing appear in searches. Step 7. Price and publish. Now let's set up your pricing and profits. Click on the pricing section inside Printify. Check the product cost, which includes printing. If your shirt costs $10 to produce and shipping is around $5, you might price it around $24.99 if you want roughly $9 profit. You can adjust based on your strategy. Some sellers offer free shipping and include the cost in the price, while others charge shipping separately but price the shirt lower. Printify lets you connect your store directly to platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce. Click Connect Store and follow the steps. Once linked, your product will automatically publish to your store. When someone buys it, Printify handles the production and delivery for you. In your Printify settings, set your order approval to manual at first. This means you'll have to confirm each order before it goes into production. It's safer while you're new, so you can double-check designs, addresses, and colors. Step 8. Test. Now let's talk about testing products without spending money on ads. One smart way is to upload multiple designs to your store and let the platform's organic traffic do the testing for you. Etsy, for example, can show your listings to buyers searching for related products. You can also post your designs on social media platforms where organic reach is still strong. Short-form video platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are perfect for this. You don't need a fancy setup. Record short clips of your product mockups using Canva or Printify visuals. Add trending music or captions like, "This design is going viral," or "Would you wear this?" People love reacting to unique designs, and you can get free exposure fast. Another simple method is to post your design process. Show how you use AI to generate designs or reveal your MidJourney prompts. People are curious about how AI art works, and this can attract both buyers and followers. Once you start seeing which designs get the most attention, focus on those. Add variations like different colors, fonts, or slogans. You can even bundle products. For example, if your cat design sells well on shirts, try it on mugs or tote bags. When you have a few designs that perform well, you can think about running small ad tests or influencer shoutouts. But don't rush. Many successful stores grow organically just from strong product ideas and simple social media posts. If you create 10 designs, maybe only one will sell well, but that one can pay for all the testing. That's how this business works. It's about small steps, learning what connects with buyers, and using data instead of guesswork. If you follow this exact process, you'll have a real, working, print-on-demand business powered by AI in 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised how quickly one design can turn into a brand. What do you think of print-on-demand? Will you try this process out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.